Okay, here we are looking at problem 4 on angles of elevation and depression. Angles of elevation and depression. So this is the fourth question that I will be solving. Let's read the question for us to know what we are to do concerning this question. The question says, a woman looking out from the window of a height 30 meters observed that the angle of depression of the top of a flagpole was 44 degrees. If the foot of the pole is 25 meters from the foot of the building and on the same horizontal ground, find correct to the nearest pole number. The question A, angle of depression of the foot of the pole from the woman, and question B, the height of the pole. So this is what we are to do. So now let's analyze the question, because we are going to make a diagram that we will use to answer these two questions. So we have a building on which the woman is looking through. So first of all, let's first make a horizontal line as the horizontal ground on which the building and the flagpole are standing. So here we are going to put the building here. So here we have the building. So this is the foot of the building. So I will call this B, and this is the top of the building. So I will call it A. Okay, then the woman is here. So the woman is here, and the height of the building is 30 meters. 30 meters, as said in the question. On this. So this is 30 meters. This is 30 meters. All right. Then we have the flagpole standing opposite the building. So the flagpole is not as high as the building, because the woman is looking at the top of the flagpole. So I will call this C, and I will call this point. This is the top of the flagpole. I will call this point, I will call it D. Now, so the woman is supposed to be looking in this direction, in a straight direction like this. This is the normal sight, or normal line of sight. This is the normal line of sight. She's supposed to be looking in this direction. But she was looking at the top of the flagpole. So she makes an angle of 44 degrees with her normal line of sight. So she makes an angle of 44 degrees to this horizontal line. Alright, so from here I have to draw a horizontal line from this point. So I draw a horizontal line, so it goes like this. So here I have alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. So this angle and this angle, they are alternate angles. So it means that this angle here is 44 degrees. So this angle is 44 degrees. So this has formed a right angle triangle. So now we have a point here. So I will call this point here, I will call it point E. Alright, then we are told from the question that the foot of the pole is 25 meters from the foot of the building. So it means that this is the foot of the pole and this is the foot of the building. So distance from here to here is 25 meters. So we have to put it here. And if you look at what we have here, I mean this shape here, this shape BCDE is a rectangle. So if you look at this rectangle, BC is also the same as DE, or DE is equal to BC. So it means that distance DE from here to here is also 25 meters. All right. Now, so this is the diagram, but we are not done yet, because question A says that we should find the angle of depression of the foot of the pole from the woman. So this is the foot of the pole, and the woman is standing here. So we want to look for the angle of depression of the foot of the pole from the woman. So I need to draw a line from here. So the line goes like this. So the angle here now, okay, so the angle from here to here now is not known. So let's call this angle, so let's call it theta. The angle from here to here is not known. So that is the angle of depression of the foot of the pole from the woman. So if you look at this angle here, and this angle, they are alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. So this angle is theta. All right, so it is this angle that we are looking for. Now, if you look at what we have here now, here we have triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So we have triangle ABC. So triangle ABC contains this angle, which is the angle of depression of the foot of the pole from the woman. So this is the right angle triangle. So triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. So here, as we are given in the question, so we have distance from A to B to be 30 meters. So which is the opposite side of this right angle triangle ABC. And then the adjacent of triangle ABC is 25 meters. So in this case, all right, so for more space, I will need to rub up this question or what we have here. So I will clean this so that we can have more space. All right, so don't forget that we have this to be 30 meters. All right, so we are going to make use of SOHCAHTOA. So as you know, so when it comes to solving questions on right angle triangle, so we can make use of SOHCAHTOA. So we need this angle. So SOHCAHTOA, so we have SOH, which is sine theta, so is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Then we have cos, that is CAR, so which is cos theta to be equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then we have TOA, which is tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. All right, so we have to make use of one of these. We have to make use of one of these. So looking at what we have here, so I want to find the value of this angle. So we have the opposite. We have the opposite. This is the value of opposite 30 meters, and we have the adjacent with this angle. So we can make use of TOA because here we have opposite over adjacent. So we have the value of opposite and we have the value of adjacent. We want to determine this angle theta. So we can say now that we have tan theta to be equal to, so the opposite is 30. So here we have 30 and the adjacent is 25. So here we have 25. So then this will give us tan theta to be equal to, this is 6 over 5, and this will give us tan theta to be equal to 1.2. Then I will need to rub off, let me rub this off. Alright, so then we have theta to be equal to tan inverse tan inverse of 1.2, and this is equal to, so tan inverse of 1.2 gives us 50 degree. Gives us 50 degree. So as we are asked that our answer should be to the nearest whole number. So this is the answer to question A. So the angle of depression of the foot of the pole from the woman is 50 degrees. So take note of that. Now let's look at question B. So question B now. So here we have question B now. So for question B, we are asked to find the height of the pole. So the height of the pole is distance from here to here. Distance CD is the height of the pole that we are asked to find. All right. So I'm going to represent distance CD with H as the height of the pole. Now, if you look at the height of the pole, distance from here to here is also equal to distance BE. But before we can get the height of the pole, I need to, since we know that BE is also equal to CD. So, and then we have that AB is 30 meters. So, what is now the distance AE? What is distance AE? So, for me to get distance AE, I have to make use of this right angle triangle AED. So, that will help me to get the value of distance AE. Then from there, I can get the distance from E to B. So let's look at that. So what I'm going to do now is that I will draw out triangle AED. So this is point E, this is A, and this is point D. So this is the right angle triangle. So this angle is 44 degrees. So it's 44 degrees. And then distance DE is 25 meters. So this is 25 meters. So I want to get the value of AE, so which is opposite to this angle, and then we have adjacent. So I will still make use of tangent or tan. So we have tan 44 degrees to be equal to AE over 25. About 25. So then I will cross multiply. So I have AE to be equal to 25 tan 44 degrees. And this is equal to, so we have 25 times, so tan 44 degree is 0.9657, and this is equal to, so we have this to be 24 meters. 24 meters. So as a whole number. So this is AE. So AE, distance AE, so is equal to 24 meters. So now, so if AE is 24 meters, what is BE? So what is BE? So let's look at what we have here. So we need to rub this off. So I will rub this off. Okay. So now, so having rubbed this off, so as I have here that AB, so is equal to, so distance AB from here to here is equal to AE plus BE plus BE. So this is 30 and this is AE is 24 and plus BE. So I want to get BE, so I have to bring BE to this side, and this will be equal to 30. So this will be 30, so minus 24. So 30 minus 24 will give me 6 meters. So BE is 6 meters. So if you look at it, as I said that BE or CD that we have here is equal to BE. So then the height now will now be CD, so which is equal to BE. So that means the height is 6 meters. So I'll rub this up so that I can write the final answer. So 6 CD, height of the pole is equal to BE So the height of the pole is 6 meters. So that is the final answer. So the height of the pole is 6 meters. So I believe this is clear to you. So I take my time to analyze everything. So that's why it takes much time. So you need to understand everything about this question. So thank you for listening, and I really appreciate you. God bless you.